Hello guys, welcome to a new series of Revit tutorial, and this series is all about complete tutorial of Revit architecture. And without any delay, let's jump into the video. As this is the first video of Revit architectural tutorial, we are going to see the GUI, that is graphical user interface of Revit architecture. Here I am using Revit 2017 version, and the GUI may vary slightly according to the versions you have. So after you start Revit 2017, you will see the recent files window. The top rows shows any project on which you have been working. The bottom rows shows any families with which you have been working. The column to the right allows you to view some tutorial videos. If you have time, I recommend suggesting this feature. In the upper right corner of the Revit window, you will see a big blue R. I hope my cursor is visible for you. This is commonly known as the application icon. So by clicking it, we'll get these options. To start a new project, just go to New and a project. You can also open a new project by clicking New from Project drop-down. The New Project dialog box appears here. Click the Template File drop-down box and select Architectural Template. After selecting the architectural template, click OK. Now the task of physically opening the application is out of the way. At first, if you are already an AutoCAD user, you will notice many differences between Revit and AutoCAD. This workflow may be easy for someone to adapt, whereas others will find it little difficult. But with your practice, it will definitely get easier for you. If you are new to the entire modeling software, you will feel little slow, but don't worry, you do a lot with each click of the mouse. At the top of the Revit window is the ribbon, which contains a series of tabs. Each tab contains a panel. This ribbon will be your Revit Launchpad. Speaking about Launchpads, click the Wall button on the Architectural tab. After you click the Wall button, you will notice that the Revit adds a new tab with additional choices specific to the command you are running. You may also notice that the Revit places an additional options bar below the ribbon for even more choices. After you make your choices from the ribbon and the options bar, you can place the object into the view window. This is the view window, and this view window is the large drawing area and takes up 2/3 of the Revit interface. To place the wall, click anywhere in the drawing area and move your pointer in the direction that you want the wall to travel. Now I just press the escape button to exit from the command, and I just need to show this how it works. Using Revit isn't always easy as this, but just keep the following 3-step process in mind and you'll be okay. First, start a command. Second, choose an option from the temporary tab or the options bar that appears. Third, place the item in the view window. Thus, on the surface, Revit appears to offer a fraction of the choices and functionality offered by AutoCAD. This is true in a way. Revit does offer fewer choices to start a command, but the choices that Revit does offers as much as robust and powerful. Revit keeps its functionality focused on designing and constructing buildings. Revit gets its robust performance from the dynamic capability of the application during the placement of the items and functionality of the objects after you place them in the model. Let's keep going with the main focus of the Revit interface, the ribbon. You will be learning on the ribbon extensively in Revit in the next video.